Hi, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Brown here. I'm so thankful you took the time to reach out this afternoon. I understand that your kiddo was talking with you about workshops. And so I just want to understand a little bit more. What I heard from you is that you and your husband are super motivated about her getting into some computer science, which is really exciting. One of the things I want to touch base with you about really quickly is which course she had indicated she was interested in for the upcoming workshop. Here at Alpha, we really encourage kids to lean into what's exciting to them. And so I'd love to hear from her what it was that she was excited about and see if maybe we can talk through some of the specifics about what she's hoping to learn. We really do encourage the kids in order to get the most out of their experience, to get that, increase, that exponential increase in learning. We really want them to love what they're learning. And so I want to ensure as we move forward that the student gets to have some agency in what she's picking. But I'm also hearing that computer science is really something that could be important to your family. And so I want to understand a little bit more about that too. So I am available and here for you anytime you want to reach out. I'm also happy to set up a time that maybe we can all talk together with the guides and your student, or you and I can meet one-on-one and just maybe have a quick Zoom, chit chat a little bit more about the specifics of what she selected. All of our workshops are geared around those critical life skills. So no matter what she chooses to take, she's going to get a ton of overlap in those things like presentation and teamwork. All of those skills are still going to be present for her, and she's going to have a fantastic experience no matter which workshop she ends up selecting. But I want to hear a little bit more and hear a little bit more about how I can help. And as I mentioned, it might be a really good time to get everybody at the table together to kind of talk through some of the specifics. And I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to finding a really good solution for everybody involved. Thanks so much, Mrs. Jones. Take care. You know how to find me.